Guess who this character is? You know Lexi, right? She's one of the most unique engines in Thomas and Friends. What makes her stand out is that she's a cab-forward engine, which basically means her design is flipped around compared to most engines. At first glance, she might look a bit unusual, but that's exactly what makes her so special. She's proud of her different style and really shows that being unique is something to celebrate. Lexi has this really fun and energetic personality. She loves to chat, and sometimes she can get a little carried away with her excitement. But that's part of her charm. She brings a lively energy wherever she goes. The other engines appreciate her for being so open and cheerful, and she's always ready to lift someone's mood with her playful spirit. What's also cool about Lexi is that she's never afraid to be herself. Even if she looks or acts different, she embraces it with confidence. That makes her a great reminder that everyone has their own strengths and quirks, and that's what makes them valuable. Honestly, talking about Lexi just makes you smile. She's that kind of character who teaches you it's awesome to be you. Guess who this character is? Logan is one of those engines you can't help but like right away. He's a strong shunter with a really sturdy design, and he kind of looks different from the usual engines on Zodiac. He's got this square, tough look that makes him stand out, but underneath that appearance, he's super kind and friendly. When Logan first showed up on the island of Zodiac, he made a little mix-up with the trains, but he quickly learned and showed how reliable he could be. That's the cool thing about him. He's hardworking and always ready to help. The other engines soon realized that Logan is someone they can count on, especially when big jobs need to be done. What I really like about Logan is that he's not just strong, he's also humble. He doesn't brag about what he can do, he just does his best and supports his friends. He's one of those engines who proves that being dependable and kind is just as important as being powerful. Guess who this character is? Lorenzo is one of the most colorful characters in Thomas and Friends. He's an Italian engine, and he absolutely loves music. In fact, he travels with his coach Bep, who carries musicians so they can perform together. Lorenzo's personality is as bright as his music. He's full of energy, charm, and a love for entertaining others. Whenever Lorenzo shows up, you can be sure things are going to get lively. He enjoys singing and putting on a show, sometimes even in the middle of his work. Sure, he might get a little carried away with all the fun, but that's just who he is. The other engines admire how he can bring joy and excitement wherever he goes. What's really nice about Lorenzo is that he reminds everyone how important it is to enjoy life and share happiness. He might not always be the most serious engine, but he has a big heart, and his love for music brings people together. Honestly, having Lorenzo around makes everything feel like a celebration. Guess who this character is? Lux is a really fancy coach from Thomas and Friends. She's all about style, comfort, and making every journey feel special. With her elegant design and classy vibe, Lux isn't just any coach, she's the kind that makes passengers feel like they're traveling in luxury. You can tell right away that she's meant to stand out from the rest. What's fun about Lux is that she has this confident personality. She knows she's stylish and doesn't mind showing it off a little. Sometimes she can seem a bit high-class compared to the other coaches, but deep down, she enjoys being part of the team and helping passengers have a great experience on their trips. The thing I like most about Lux is that she shows how being unique can bring something special to the railway. She adds a touch of glamour and charm to every journey, reminding everyone that traveling can be more than just getting from one place to another. It can actually feel like an adventure.